Hey everybody, Anthony here. So I've been meaning to make this video for a while, but a recent comment on one of my videos reminded me, so I just figured I would make something real quick here. I do have a stuttering problem, and a lot of people are amazed, confused. They're like, well, how do you MC? How do you go on the mic? And how do you do it without stuttering? And I'll be honest with you, for whatever reason, I don't stutter when I'm on the mic. It just doesn't happen. From it happening in the past, I notice it happens more so when I'm tired or nervous. And even like when I'm thinking about what to say, I'm actually shocked that it's not happening right now. But, I went to speech therapy when I was younger, all throughout elementary school. I saw a speech therapist, and, everything that they taught me, like, to work through it was very embarrassing. Like, they said when it starts to happen, like, make a beat on your hip or something, or, like, just make a beat, and then your mind is focusing on something else so you can get the word out. But I always found that very embarrassing. I didn't want people to just see me hitting my hip and be like, why is he doing that? So I kind of just learned how to work through it myself. As you guys probably noticed from the video, sometimes it does get bad, and there are some times where I can't get the word out for a couple seconds, like a solid 5 to 10 seconds, which is really embarrassing. And I used to cut those parts out. Like when I would start to stutter, while I was editing the video, I would take that chunk and cut it out. But I want to be completely 100% honest with you guys. Like, I don't want to hide things from you guys. If I stutter, you should know. And if you stutter, you should know that it's possible to get through, and there are ways to cope through it. Those of you who watch my videos, if you do have a stuttering problem, don't be ashamed. I mean, there are a lot of people that have it. If you have any questions for me, leave a comment down below, or if you feel more comfortable, you can direct message me, whether it's on here or on Instagram or Facebook or anything. Feel free to just ask away, and I'll let you know any information I have about it. Alright, well, just wanted to talk about that a little bit, clear it up. Hopefully everybody is keeping busy. It's mid-June, so this is prime time for DJs. I have over 10 gig logs that I haven't uploaded yet. So I'm well over 100 now. I just need to start to catch up with the editing and posting. So be on the lookout for the rest of those, and I'll see you guys next time.